What's up, you guys? This is Chris for Hustle and Bustle. And in today's episode, I'm going to discuss what happened to me when I quit caffeine the first time and what's going on with me now when I quit caffeine again. What? That's just tea. I'm just reusing the bottle. So caffeine is a great drink that we all love, and the history of coffee dates way back, and it's amazing how it acts on the nervous system. So we all know a lot of people are really hard to talk to before they get the first cup of coffee. And by a lot of people, that's usually your wife. Also, I want to stress that I don't think that coffee is bad for you or there's any harm if you drink coffee. I mean, obviously, if you drink too much, then it might be a harm. But from what I've read, there's actually benefits to drinking coffee. But also, let me tell you what happens when you actually stop drinking coffee. So if caffeine is a big part of your daily routine, in the beginning, it will be very, very unpleasant in the short term. At least me, for example, I had very huge, I've never had a headache like that in my life. First time I quit coffee for over a year, I had headaches for about a week. I was taking ibuprofen every day. And after a week, they disappeared. I also slept for about 12 hours every day for about a week or maybe 10 days. That was the first time I quit coffee. Now I had the biggest headache I've ever had in my life. Most of you might know I don't eat sugar really, as well, like candies and stuff like that, even if I have candy machines. But after I stopped eating candy last year and around January, I have never had a headache since then. And now it was my first headache. It was just ridiculously painful and unpleasant. It's the same headache that your wife claims to have when you want to have sex with her. Oh, I really need to stop with those jokes. So anyways, I really had like a huge headache. I slept 12, maybe 13 hours the first day. And then that continued this time less than a week. Today's day 5. I feel amazing and energetic. I slept 12 hours for about 3 days and I had headaches for the first 2 days. Third days was kind of mild. And then the usual effect that happened before started happening. Your body will in tune to a very different like circadian rhythm, I'm guessing. At least that's my observation. So I start waking up 6:30 in the morning and I'm like ready to like go running. And I hate running. So because I cannot run right now because I have some meniscus tear, I just walk. But all I'm saying is I'm very energetic in 6:30 in the morning. So the energy goes throughout the whole day, at least today, the whole day. Like you see me right now, it's 11:10 p.m. And I've been pretty energetic all day. Now, 12 o'clock or 11:30, 12, you literally die. Like before you hit the pillow, you're already asleep. And I sleep for like 7 hours or so, and I wake up like brand new batteries. So for me, thus far has been amazing. And actually last time I quit coffee or caffeine in general, it was amazing as well. Quitting sugar also is a different topic that, I've never really talked about, I guess, but I really enjoy the fact that I quit sugar. The world looked very black and white the first 10 days, but after that, it felt amazing. From what I read online, you might struggle with headache, tiredness, sleepiness, down moods, trouble concentrating, and crankiness. And they say that you're gonna start feeling the symptoms a day or two after you start. I kind of start feeling the symptoms right away. Actually, the other day, somebody called me and I actually hung up and I texted her, "Hey, can you not talk to me today? Because I'm pretty irritable." Irritable? So yeah, it's kind of like even I feel that I'm irritable, and I'm usually not. I'm usually very level-headed, and I don't really get pissed, and I'm not very emotional type of being. But like you can really feel it that you're like very irritable. Today and yesterday, everything's great. Now online they suggest do not quit cold turkey, quit step by step. But I don't know. I didn't really have the patience for that, so I just decided to do it cold turkey. If you decide to do that, let me know what you felt and how you felt down below. In the meantime, yeah, do subscribe and give me a like, guys. That would help the channel tremendously, and I would highly appreciate that. We are at 145 subscribers. I really hope we get to like 200 by the end of the month of June. Hopefully that happens. I really hope you enjoy that content with finances, real estate, and building wealth without all the hype. Wink, wink. Also, online it says to hydrate a lot, and honestly, yesterday and today, I've drank more water than I've drank the last month. Okay, that was maybe an exaggeration, but I drink a lot of water. I go to pee like every 10 minutes. It's just crazy. I've heard actually water helped humanity and saved humanity from dying from thirst. Pa-da-pum. That joke. And that's it for now. I mean, that's all I can report for today's news. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you appreciate this content and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time.